Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube video category. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio. And there are two ways in which you can do this. The first one is if you go to Settings, then click on Upload Defaults, then select Advanced Settings. Once you're on here, you should see Category on the right hand side, so you just need to click on there and pick whichever category suits your channel and videos. So this just means every time you upload a video, this category will be included on the video. Once you're happy with that, just select Save. And if there's any videos that you want to change the category on, just go to Content and click on the pencil symbol. And if you scroll down, you should see category on there as well. So you can obviously change each video to suit if you want to do that. And then again, just click on the category you want and select Save on the top right hand side. And that's how you can change your category on a YouTube video. Thanks for watching.